Bologna, the capital of the Emilia-Romagna region in northern Italy, is a city steeped in history and renowned for its rich cultural heritage, gastronomic delights, and architectural treasures. Nestled in the heart of the country, Bologna offers a captivating blend of the old and the new, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking an authentic Italian experience. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the Asinelli Tower, part of the Two Towers of Bologna, which stand tall as a testament to the city's medieval past. Visitors can climb the 498 steps to the top of the tower for panoramic views of the historic center and the surrounding hills, offering a unique perspective of the city's layout. Bologna is often referred to as La Data, the learned, due to its prestigious university, the University of Bologna, founded in 1088 and considered the oldest in the Western world. The university's historic buildings, such as the Archiginnasio, with its stunning anatomical theater, are open to the public and provide a glimpse into the city's academic heritage. For art enthusiasts, the Pinacoteca Nazionale di Bologna is a treasure trove of Italian paintings, housing works by renowned artists like Raphael, Titian, and Guido Reni. The city also boasts a thriving contemporary art scene, with numerous galleries and exhibitions throughout the year. Bologna's extensive network of porticos, stretching over 38 kilometers, is another unique feature of the city. These covered walkways not only offer shelter from the elements but also create a charming and distinctive architectural ambience. Strolling along these porticos, visitors can explore the historic streets, hidden courtyards, and quaint squares that characterize the city's urban fabric. Of course, no visit to Bologna would be complete without savoring its culinary delights. The city is often hailed as the food capital of Italy, and its traditional dishes, such as tagliatelle al ragù, known outside Italy as Bolognese sauce, and tortellini, are world-famous. Travelers can indulge in these delectable treats at local trattorias and osterias, where they can also sample regional wines like Lambrusco and Sangiovese. For those interested in religious architecture, the Basilica of San Petronio is a marvel to behold. This enormous Gothic church, with its unfinished facade, boasts an awe-inspiring interior adorned with beautiful frescoes, sculptures, and an astronomical clock that dates back to the 16th century. Bologna's central location in Italy makes it an excellent base for exploring the surrounding region. Day trips to cities like Florence, Venice, and Milan are easily accessible by train, allowing travelers to further immerse themselves in the rich cultural tapestry of Italy. Bologna is a city that enchants visitors with its historical significance, artistic treasures, culinary delights, and vibrant atmosphere. Whether you are an art lover, a foodie, a history buff, or simply a wanderer seeking authentic Italian experiences, Bologna offers a diverse range of activities and attractions that will leave you with lasting memories of this enchanting city.